Hi guys, so today we are whipping up a heavenly coffee mousse. This light and airy dessert is perfect for any occasion. We'll be combining the rich aroma of coffee with the creamy sweetness of whipped cream to create a truly indulgent treat. Whether you are a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is surprisingly easy to follow. I'll guide you through every step from making the perfect coffee to achieving that perfect mousse texture. So grab your ingredients, get ready to savor the aroma, and let's create a dessert that's sure to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a bowl, add 30 grams Nescafe, then add 120 ml water. Add 180 grams sugar and whisk it until the sugar is nicely dissolved. Then whisk it with the electric whisk. Whisk it until it becomes nice and thick. Whisk it until soft peak and until it gets a nice light brown color. Make sure it is something like this. As you can see that it has reached to soft peaks. Then leave it aside. Then take a bowl. Add 400 ml double cream and whisk it until soft peak. Then gently whisk it when it is about to reach soft peaks. As you can see that it has reached to soft peaks. Make sure it is something like this. Then take the coffee cream and simply fold in the cream. Then gently fold in the cream and make sure to add cream little at a time. Then whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Make sure not to over whisk it as it will split. So the coffee mousse is ready and this is the perfect consistency for it. As you can see that the consistency is nice and smooth. Make sure it is something like this. Then take a piping bag with a star nozzle inside and simply fill it with the mousse mixture. Then cut the end with the help of a knife. And then take a serving bowl or a glass and simply pipe the mousse. Then sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. And then chop some chocolate. And sprinkle it on top. And there you have it guys, a heavenly coffee mousse that's perfect for any occasion. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you will try this recipe at home and enjoy every bit of it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.